Thank you for clicking on my video. My name is Casey Claypool. I'm an optometrist at Empire Eye Physicians. So what I do at Empire Eye is I see a lot of dry eye consultations. So I like to help folks that have dry, scratchy, itchy, watery eyes. If their vision fluctuates, then there's a lot of new technology, treatments, and options that we have to try and help folks that suffer from just this chronic irritation that can bother both their vision and their comfort. I also see a lot of pre and post-ops for surgical cases, for LASIK, cataract surgery. So I also fit specialty contact lenses, so when folks have a unique corneal condition or corneal transplant, corneal scars, then I can use some updated technology with contact lenses to help them see adequately. I studied at Brigham Young University in Utah for several years, and I had served a mission for a church in Ecuador for 2 years, so I picked up Spanish there and speak fluent Spanish. And then I did my graduate studies at Pacific University in Portland, Oregon. I loved it out there, beautiful Northwest as well, but Spokane was always kind of home. So I did 3 years in the Air Force at Malmstrom Air Force Base in Great Falls, Montana, and then afterwards, my wife and I were looking for a place to settle with our kids, and I convinced her Spokane was the place, and we came here in 2012. I chose to go into optometry because I love helping people. I've always been fascinated with the eye. What also got me interested in going into optometry, besides helping people, is my dad was born with just one functional eye. And so it's always been a precious sense for him to be able to maintain that eyesight. And so I've had this goal to be able to help people maintain sight, maintain comfort, and have that better quality of life. I chose to come to work at Empire Eye because I wanted to have the balance of the medical care that we provide as eye doctors, to be able to provide options for surgical care. You know, I provide pre and post surgical care for our patients, and also to provide advanced technology dry eye care. And at Empire Eye Physicians, we like to be at the forefront of technology, to offer our patients treatments and techniques that are at the tip of the spear, to help patients achieve their maximum potential for their sight and comfort. And I love that about Empire Eye. My most memorable experience with a patient was we had a patient several years ago who came to see us as a referral and fifth opinion because his eyes were so uncomfortable. He had long story short, some cancer treatment that left him with severe dry eyes. And he told me if he would have known how bad his dry eyes would be after his cancer treatment, which saved his life, he would have thought twice about having that cancer treatment because he was just so miserable from pain. He had to put in eye drops every 5 to 10 minutes just to maintain any semblance of comfort, and even then he was uncomfortable. Through a series of several treatments and methods that we have that I didn't invent, but I'm grateful to be aware of that are out there, we have given him his quality of life back. One thing we pride ourselves in at Empire Eye Physicians is to work closely with referring physicians. Our optometrists, our ophthalmologists, our primary care doctors in the community know that our goal is to see the patient and send them back to them for their family eye care. We don't do routine eye care here. We don't sell glasses, and our goal is to be able to provide that specialized care and then have the patient continue their family care and their routine care with their regular eye doctor.